Hello students, so we'll be starting with the last exercise of chapter 6, that is statistics, right? So moving on to the last exercise, in this exercise we'll be dealing about the term probability. Now what does probability means? Probability basically means the chances of occurrence, right? Probability, the term probability basically means the chances of occurrence, right? Probability means event upon outcome. This is the formula for probability, event upon outcomes, or we can also say that number of possible outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Number of possible outcomes upon total outcomes, right? We'll understand this by an example. Suppose I am tossing a coin. The probability of tossing a coin is either heads will come or either tails will come. Only these are the two possible chances when I am tossing a coin, right? There are none other three, और तीसरा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है प्रोबेबिलिटी का. अगर हम एक कॉइन को टॉस कर रहे हैं, व्हाट विल बी द ओनली पॉसिबिलिटीज़, मैक्सिमम पॉसिबिलिटीज़ क्या होंगी? या तो हेड आएगा या तो टेल आएगा, राइट? और कोई तो चांस नहीं है, या तो सिक्का हवा में रह जाए या ऐसा कुछ तो चांस होगा नहीं, या आएगा ही या तो हेड या तो टेल. सो पॉसिबल आउटकम्स इज 2. What is the possible outcome? Number of possible outcomes 2. Now what is the call for suppose heads or suppose tail, right? We call, so that call is our favorable outcome, what we want, right? Suppose we want head, so what is the probability of getting a head? 1. एक ही चांस है हेड आने का, एक ही चांस है टेल आने का, और टोटल चांस है 2, right? So probability of our favoring probability is 1 and total probability is 2. So probability of getting a head is 1 by 2. Similarly, probability of getting a tail is 1 by 2. Now the example given here, let us see. This is for dice. Total outcome in a dice, total possible outcomes is any number from 1 to 6 can come when we are rolling a dice, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Out of this 6 numbers, any numbers can come, right? 1 to 6. So total outcome will be written in the denominator, that is 6. Now event means what we want. Suppose in this question it is taken that we want 3. So probability of getting a 3 is 1 only, क्योंकि एक ही साइड डाइस पे 3 लिखा होता है ना, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग 3 इज 1 ओनली. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग 3 ऑन अ डाइस इज 1 by 6, right? Now moving on to the questions. First question, let us see what is it. Moving on to the first question. What will be the probability of drawing a card of diamond from a pack of cards? Now see, pack of card means pack of cards. How many total numbers of cards are there? 52. And drawing a card of diamond of each type, how many cards are there? 13, right? Probability will be number of favorable outcomes, means the outcomes which we want, and total possible outcomes. So favorable outcome, that is drawing a cards of diamond, is 13, and total possible outcome is how much? 52, because there are total 52 cards. उन 52 cards में से कोई 13 cards diamond होंगे, right? कोई 13 cards hearts होंगे. Like this the cards are divided 13 13. 4 types of cards are there. 13 into 4 is 52, right? So number of favorable outcomes, how many favorable outcomes are there for us for getting a cards of diamond? It is 13, and total is 52. 13 ones are 13 fours are. So probability is probability of drawing a diamond card from total cards is 1/4. Is it clear? Moving on to the second question. A bag has 6 white, number of balls are given, 6 white, 11 red and 7 blue. Probability of drawing a white ball. So here our favorable probability will be white ball we have to draw. How many white balls are there? 6. So our favorable probability will be 6, number of white balls, because we need to get a white ball. So probability of our getting a white ball is 6. How 6? क्योंकि 6 उस बैग में 6 वाइट बॉल्स हैं. आपके पास टोटल बॉल्स कितनी है, तो आप वाइट सारे कलर्स की बॉल ऐड करोगे. 6 + 11 + 7, राइट, विच इज़ 24. नाउ आउट ऑफ दिस 24 एनी ऑफ द 6 बॉल्स कैन बी वाइट. और सिर्फ 6 बॉल्स ही वाइट हो सकती हैं. अगर हमने एक बार निकाल ली तो 6 बात के बाद वाइट बॉल्स नहीं निकलेंगी, क्योंकि टोटल वाइट बॉल्स ही 6 है हमारे पास, राइट. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी फेवरेबल आउटकम कितना है? वाइट बॉल्स, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग वाइट बॉल इज 6 एंड टोटल बॉल्स इज 24. 6 1s are 6 4s are. What is the answer? 1/4. So probability of getting a white ball is 1/4. Same formula everywhere you have to use, just you have to see to the total possible outcomes and the outcomes which we require. Total possible outcomes is also known as sample space. Okay. Moving on to the third question. A horse race competition has 5 competitors. Find out the probability of winning the race. Now see, in this question only one data is given directly, but probability of winning the race you need to find. Now winner तो कोई एक ही होगा रेस में. So our favorable probability is 1. टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है? टोटल पॉसिबल आउटकम्स कितनी है? इन्हीं 5 में से कोई जीतेगा. आउट ऑफ दीज 5 कॉम्पिटिटर्स ओनली 1 विल विन, राइट. सो टोटल पॉसिबल आउटकम्स इज 5. सो फॉर दिस द प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 1/5. हाउ? टोटल कॉम्पिटिटर्स 5, विनिंग कॉम्पिटिटर कोई एक ही होगा, 1 विल बी द विनर. नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स फॉर प्रोबेबिलिटी इज number of favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes. Total possible is 5, favorable is 1, so the probability is 1/5, right. Now fourth question. In a basket there are 10 apples, 8 pomegranates, right, and 12 guavas. What will be the probability of taking out apples from the basket? Now probability of taking apples, it is asked, means favorable probability. What is the favorable probability we'll be having? That is 10. Because we need apples, so favorable probability is, favorable outcome will be 10. To find the probability we also need to know what is the total number of possible outcomes. टोटल उसमें कितने फ्रूट्स हैं वो हमारे टोटल पॉसिबल आउटकम्स होगा. टोटल फ्रूट्स कितने हैं? 10 + 8 + 12, राइट. This only you are going to solve. So total fruits 10 + 8 + 12, that is 30. Number of apples is 10. Probability is number of favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes. Favorable was 10, possible was 30. So 10/30 is the probability. 0 0 getting cancelled. 1/3 is the probability, right. So probability of getting an apple out of the fruits, out of the total 30 fruits, is 1/3, right. Fifth question. Find out the probability of appearance of an even number when a coin is tossed. Now in this no direct information is given to you, right, but we can find, see, probability of appearance of an even number when a coin is tossed. Now see, when a coin is tossed, what are the possible outcomes? 1 2 3 4 5 6. From numbers from 1 to 6 are there in the coin, so total outcome is 6. Now what is the favorable outcome? what is asked in the question? Probability of even numbers. 2 is even, 4 is even, 6 is even. How many total even numbers can come? 3. So favorable outcome will only be 3 and total is 6. See here, total is 6, right? And even numbers are 3. So probability is 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. So probability of getting even number is how much? 1 by 2. Okay. Moving on to the last question of this chapter and the exercise. On tossing a coin, what will be the possibility of appearance of head and the appearance of tail for that coin? This just now I had explained when I was explaining the probability topic, right? See, outcomes, total outcomes will be either heads or tails, only 2, right? There is no third chance of when tossing a coin, right? So chances for tails is 1 or chances for heads, if you are calculating it, is 1, right? Now probability means number of favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes. Favorable is 2 and total possible is 1. या हेड आए या टेल आए, टोटल पॉसिबल एक ही है, या तो एक ही आएगा, दोनों तो, या हेड और टेल दोनों साथ में तो नहीं आ सकता. इधर द फेवरेबल आउटकम will be head or tail, means 1 only. So probability of getting a head is 1 by 2 and probability of getting a tail is also 1 by 2. So like this, first this formula you need to mention in every of the question while you are solving, right? Clearly you have to mention all the outcomes, what is the total probability, right? So like this you're going to solve the chapter in your copy. By this we finish the chapter statistics.